Affirmative. The entrance is clear.
Copy. Guiding the truck to Bay 2 for unloading.
Clear the ramp, move up, keep going straight ahead.
Alpha Team, we are approaching checkpoint 3. Gates are clear. Send the next group through. Water quality is optimal. Activating refill sequence now.
Troughs are clear, moving to section 3.
Water pressure confirmed. System is green across the board. All right, send in the first group through now.
Pressure stable at 50 psi. Cycle complete. Roger that. Moving to rinse. The flow rate on lane 3 is uneven. I'm adjusting the settings now. Should be stable. Lane 3 is running low.
Override engaged, increasing flow rate now.
Control to floor team. Confirm refill status on line A. Loader is ready for the next drop. Guide the next one to lane 4, please.
Confirmed. Vitals are stable, Doctor.
Let's proceed with the assessment.
How are the ratings looking, Doctor? Everything is within the healthy range. We are clear to move her forward.
Inspection is complete. All clear, take her to the next station.
The white blood cell count is slightly elevated here.
Yes, but the trend is stable. The physical exam looks good. Health record verified. Respiration looks steady, no abnormalities.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Lane 3 clear for transfer, awaiting your signal. Attention all units. This is the supervisor. Lane 1 is cleared for exit. All clear on Station 4, Supervisor. Records updated. Confirmed. Herd inspection complete. Prepare for transfer.
Vet clearance confirmed.
Send the next group down. We are clear.
The inspection is complete on these.
All right, move the approved horns to the washing department.
Length is 45 centimeters. Thickness checks out.
Good. The batch is approved for washing. Measurements confirmed. The alignment is precise. You may begin the cutting process now. Ensure the edges are clean.
Confirmed. The measurements are exact.
All right, this batch is approved. The dimensions are precise. These are ready for the grinding stage.
This batch meets the quality standard. We can release them to the next department.
The thickness here is perfect, right at the specified dimension. Keep up the precise work.
Check this edge again. It's not quite smooth yet. All right, I'll take care of it.
The internal finish looks excellent.
Confirmed. ready for polishing. Dimensions are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for cleaning and transfer.
This batch is approved. Move it to the carts.
All parameters checked out on this lot.
Okay, I'm logging the final approval now.
The physical count matches the digital record for batch 456.
Yes, Supervisor. All 150 are graded premium.
Technician, confirm batch 42 status.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All items logged and secured.
This batch looks excellent, very clean grain.
Yes, the thickness is consistent. Let's move these to cart 3. I've logged the measurements for batch 3. Excellent. Roll this one up for cleaning. Moisture levels are optimal on this batch.
Good, move them to conditioning.
This layout looks good. Start marking the collar pieces now, and remember to label everything clearly. We must utilize the entire hide.
The shoulder alignment is slightly off on the left side. Adjust it to match the sample exactly. Excellent work on these seams, perfectly symmetrical. We can prepare the collar now. The dimensions and stitching look excellent. These are approved for collar assembly.
The symmetry is perfect now. We can approve the neckline construction.
The spacing on this collar seam is slightly off. See the difference here? Yeah?
Yes, I see it. I'll adjust it now. Looks good.
We can send this one to the finishing department.
The zipper runs smoothly, Supervisor.
Good. Dimensions are precise. This one passes final inspection.
Make sure the grain direction is perfect on the front panel. We can't have any imperfections there.
The stitching looks precise. Check the corners against the sample. It matches the approved structure.
Ensure the alignment on this seam is exact. We need to reinforce the stitching right here. Understood. I'll make the adjustment now.
Check the consistency here around the zipper. Looks good, the reinforcement is solid. Check the stitching right here. Make sure it's perfect. Yes, supervisor. Using the fine brush now.
The finish looks consistent with the sample. Excellent work. They are ready for inspection. The surface quality and stitching are consistent with the samples.
Confirmed, Supervisor. The hardware also matches the specifications.
Very well. The collection is approved.
The craftsmanship is superb. The display is approved.
We made sure every detail was perfect.
Hardware check complete.
Excellent. The stitching detail is flawless. We are ready for packaging.